learners, welcome to our channel Leap Ahead. In this video, we will discuss the solutions of medium test and appropriate filler concept. If you haven't already taken the test, then feel free to pause the video and attempt the questions as test and then continue watching for the solutions. The question says, fill in the blank with the most appropriate word. In this question, the sentence reads, a legislation was passed to punish brokers who dash their clients' funds. Since we are talking about punishing brokers who dash their clients funds, so यहाँ पर कहीं ना कहीं word ऐसा आना चाहिए जो fraud या फिर stealing money से related है, right? Let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, which is devastated. Now the word means to be destroyed or broken or demolished, so we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is devoured. Now devoured refers to shattered or smashed, so we can eliminate option B as well. Coming to option D, which is manifested. Now, manifested refers to incarnate or embodied. So, we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option C, which is embezzled. Now, embezzle means to steal money, often from employers or to misuse their money, right? So, we know that the correct answer is option C. In this question, the sentence reads, modern architecture has discarded the dash trimming on buildings and emphasizes simplicity of line. Since we're talking about emphasizes simplicity of line, right? And यहाँ पर क्या किया गया, discard किया गया है. So any word which comes over here has to be somewhat opposite to this word, right? So let us now look at the options. Coming to option B, which is gaunt. Now gaunt refers to something which is skinny or thin, so we can eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is flabbergasting. Now, flabbergasting refers to surprise or astonish. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is nominal. Now, nominal refers to minimal or insignificant. So we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option A, which is gaudy. Now, gaudy is something which is very flashy and bright, which is opposite in meaning to the word simplicity. So the correct answer is option A. In this question, the sentence reads, his moral decadence was marked by his dash from the ways of integrity and honesty. The meaning of the word decadence is moral or cultural decline. So, हमें आइडिया क्या मिलता है कि यहाँ पर ब्लैंक में कैसा वर्ड आएगा विच इज गोइंग अवे फ्रॉम द वेज ऑफ इंटेग्रिटी एंड ऑनेस्टी, बिकॉज यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, मॉरल डिक्लाइन हो रहा है, राइट? So वो decline क्यों हो रहा है? Because the person is moving away from integrity and honesty, right? So let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, which is declivity. Now declivity refers to declination or descent, so we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is obsession. Now obsession refers to a kind of a compulsion or delusion, so we can eliminate option B as well. Coming to option C, which is opprobrium. Opprobrium refers to disgrace or discredit or a shame, so we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is departure. Now departure refers to a kind of an escape or removal, a going away, so we know that the correct answer is option D. In this question, the sentence reads, the influence of the environment on man is revealed by an dash study. So let us now explore the options. Coming to option A, which is anthropological. Now the root word anthrop means human beings or humans, and logy refers to study. So basically anthropology क्या हुई, study of human beings. So we can eliminate option A because यहाँ पर हम influence of environment की बात कर रहे हैं, human beings की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. Coming to option C, which is epigraphic. Now, epigraphic refers to inscription specially done on a building or a statue. So, we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is numismatic. Now, the word refers to relating to or consisting of coins and metals. So, we can eliminate option D as well. Coming to option B, which is ecological. Now, ecological refers to a branch of biology dealing with relations and interactions between organisms and their environment. So, we know that the correct answer is option B. In this question, the sentence reads, she had a terrible night caused by a or an dash during her sleep. Let us now come to the options. Coming to option A, which is incubus. Now, incubus refers to something which is devil or demon. So we can eliminate option A. Coming to option B, which is debility. Now, debility refers to kind of a weakness or incapacity. So we can easily eliminate option B. Coming to option C, which is obsession. Now, obsession refers to kind of a compulsion or infatuation. So we can eliminate option C as well. Coming to option D, which is delusion. Now, delusion refers to kind of a misconception or deception. So we know that the correct answer is option D. Here comes the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Join me for another test in the next video. In the meantime, keep practicing and do not forget to attempt the next test.